Hey, let's be real for a second. How many times have you told yourself, okay, tomorrow is the day. I'm going to change my life, I'm going to hit the gym, and I'm going to eat nothing but salads. And then by 2 p.m., you're tired, you're bored, and you're eating a cookie. We have all been there. It feels like being healthy is this huge, difficult mountain to climb. But what if I told you it's actually not? It's not about running marathons, it's about the tiny stuff. Today, I'm going to break down 10 simple questions and answers that will totally change how you feel without making you miserable. Let's get into it. Question 1. What is the very first thing I should do when I wake up? Answer. Okay, so you open your eyes, the alarm is going off. What's your first move? If you were like most people, you probably stumble to the kitchen and grab a cup of coffee immediately. But we need to switch that up. Here's a little secret that fits right into those morning habits that changed my life: water. Think about it. You just slept for maybe 7 or 8 hours. You haven't had anything to drink that whole time. Your body is basically a dried up sponge. If you dump coffee on a dried up sponge, it doesn't work well. You need to rehydrate first. It's like saying hello to your body. It wakes up your brain and gets your blood moving. It can be cold water, it can be warm water with lemon, it doesn't matter. Just drink a big glass of water before the coffee touches your lips. It's the easiest win of the day. Question 2. Is a small breakfast better than a big one? Answer. This is a huge debate, right? Some people skip breakfast, some people eat a feast. But let's look at what you are eating rather than how much. A lot of us are in a rush. We grab a piece of toast, a bagel, or, let's be honest, a cookie or a donut. It tastes great for 5 minutes, but it is terrible for your energy. Sugar gives you a quick spike, and then boom, you crash. You feel tired by 10 a.m. You want to eat like a superhero. You need power food. We're talking about eggs, yogurt, or fruit like bananas. These foods burn slowly. They give you energy that lasts for hours, not minutes. So, to answer the question, it's not about big or small, it's about quality. Don't start your engine with cheap gas. Give yourself the good stuff so you don't crash later. Question 3. Do I really need to join a gym to get fit? Short answer, no. Long answer, absolutely not. Look, gyms can be intimidating. They're loud, they smell like sweat, and there are people everywhere. If you love the gym, that's awesome. But if you hate it, don't force it. You don't need a membership to be healthy. Walking is honestly one of the most underrated healthy habits out there. It's free and you can do it anywhere. The goal here is just movement. If you take the bus, walk to the stop. If you drive, park a little further away. It sounds cliche, but these small things add up. If you look at videos about how to reset your life, they always talk about movement. It clears your head. So, if the gym scares you, just put on your sneakers and go for a walk around the block. That totally counts. Question 5. How can I add exercise to my day without working out? This is for all the busy people out there. Maybe you don't have an hour to walk. Maybe you work in an office on the fourth floor. Here's the ultimate hack. Take the stairs. I know, the elevator is right there. It's easy. But taking the stairs is like a mini workout that takes 2 minutes. It wakes up your heart. It wakes up your legs. And you didn't even have to change into gym clothes. It's what we call exercise snacking. You take little bites of exercise throughout the day. If you do this every day, over a year, that is a massive amount of fitness you just gained for free. It's a small step, literally, but small steps lead to big changes. Question 5. What is the stand-up habit and why do I need it? Most of us sit way too much. We sit in the car, we sit at our desks, we sit on the couch. Humans were not built to sit for 12 hours a day. Your body is basically in sleep mode when you sit too long. Your neck hurts, your back hurts, and your energy drops. The answer is the stand-up habit. It's super simple. Set an alarm on your phone for every hour. When it goes off, you stand up for just 1 minute. That's it. You don't have to do jumping jacks. Just stand up, stretch your arms, look away from the computer screen, and maybe shake your legs out. It gets the blood flowing to your brain again. You'll feel less tired and more focused. It's a tiny interruption that saves your body from feeling stiff and old. Question 6. How do I stop feeling tired in the afternoon? Ah, the famous 3 p.m. slump. You know the feeling. You had lunch and now you can barely keep your eyes open.
You feel blah. Usually this is because of what you drank or ate for lunch. If you were drinking soda or sugary drinks with your lunch, that is the culprit. Sugar makes you crash. It's a roller coaster and the drop is steep. The fix? Swap that soda for sparkling water or just regular cold water. If you miss the fizz, sparkling water is a game changer. It feels like a treat, but it hydrates you. When you are hydrated, your brain stays sharp. If you cut the liquid sugar at lunch, I promise you, you will power through the afternoon without needing a nap under your desk. Question 7. What does a healthy lunch actually look like? We've talked about what to drink, but what about the food? If you go buy a burger and fries, you're going to feel heavy. A great visual trick is to think about the rainbow plate. I don't mean Skittles, I mean vegetables. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, carrots. These things have colors. If your plate is all brown and beige, like bread and meat, it's probably going to make you sleepy. If you add some color with a side salad or some veggies in your sandwich, you're getting vitamins and fiber. Fiber keeps you full without making you feel stuffed. It's a simple rule. Look at your plate. Is there color? If yes, you're winning. It makes your meal look pretty and it makes your body feel light. Question 8. Are snacks bad for me? No, snacks are not the enemy. Being hungry makes us grumpy and makes us make bad choices later. The problem isn't snacking, it's what we snack on. If you have a bag of chips or a candy bar in your desk drawer, you're going to eat it. It's too easy. We want to switch to smart snacking. Think about almonds, walnuts, or an apple. Nuts are amazing because they are good for your brain. They have healthy fats that keep you focused. It's like fuel for your mind. So don't starve yourself. Just swap the chips for some nuts. Keep them on your desk so they're the first thing you see. It's an easy switch that saves you hundreds of empty calories. Question 10. Why can't I fall asleep at night? This is a massive struggle for our generation. We get in bed, we're tired, but our brain won't shut off. Why? It's usually the phone. We lay there scrolling through social media, watching videos, checking emails. Here's the science. The blue light from your phone screen tricks your brain. It tells your brain, hey, it's the sun, it's daytime, wake up. So your brain gets confused and stops making the sleep chemicals you need. The answer is hard but necessary. Put the phone away 1 hour before sleep. Read a book, listen to chill music, or just talk to someone. If you do this, you will fall into a deeper sleep much faster. It's one of the best atomic habits you can build for your health. Question 10. What is the one habit for your mind that changes everything? We've talked a lot about the body. Food, water, sleep, movement. But what about your happiness? Being healthy isn't just about having six-pack abs, it's about feeling good inside. The answer is gratitude. It sounds cheesy, I know, but try this. Every single day, maybe right before you sleep or while you drink that morning coffee, think of 3 things you're thankful for. It can be small. I'm thankful for this coffee. I'm thankful the sun is shining. I'm thankful for my dog. When you focus on the good stuff, it lowers your stress. It literally changes your brain chemistry to be more positive. A happy mind leads to a healthy body. It takes 30 seconds, but it changes your whole vibe. So, there you have it. 10 questions, 10 simple answers. We aren't trying to be perfect here. We're just trying to be a little bit better than we were yesterday. Maybe you start with the water tomorrow. Maybe you try the stairs. Just pick one and see how it goes. If you found these tips helpful, or if you're going to try the rainbow plate, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It really helps the video. And if you want to keep learning and improving your life with simple, easy-to-understand English, please subscribe to 10-Minute English Academy. Drop a comment below. What is one habit you're going to start tomorrow? I really want to know. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.